Okay, so a little break from all the video stuff we've been doing, and I want to take the class to Photoshop and a quick little project we can do using a clipping mask. Clipping mask takes a picture or an image and cuts it, and you can use different shapes and tools to cut it with. In this case, we're going to cut it with letters. So the first thing we need to do is get an image off the internet. So I'm going to go to Safari, and we're going to go to lik.com, lik.com, Peter Lik's website. You can go to any website you want. And I'm going to go to the work, and I'm going to go and pick a picture. So you do the same. And we want to save the images, or save the image as, and put it in your documents folder. Call this clipping mask image. You call it whatever you want. Save it. And then we want to go to Photoshop. So I want to open up Photoshop. And I want to go new, file new. Actually, no, that's not what I want to do. I want to open that. I'm going to go File, Open, and open up that picture we just got out of our Documents folder, or wherever you put it. I'm going to do a Command 0. All right, so now we're going to use the Type tool. Remember that Type tool? It's over here on the toolbar on the left. Go down to the Type tool, horizontal Type tool, and pick a font that has kind of a thicker stroke. With marker felt. You pick whatever font you want, but just find something that's got kind of a thick stroke. I'm going to come somewhere out here, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to type my name. I can spell my name right. Doesn't matter what color it is, although if it's a contrasting color, that will help. So I'm going to make mine white, just so you can see it better. And then, of course, you see over here in the Layers panel, you've got your background image, and you got your text layer. So I'm going to do a Command T to make that bigger. Position it up right about here. Let's collapse that. And place it over the part of the picture that you want to fill the letters with. Okay, so I'm going to use the picture to fill the letters. Alright, and probably need to unlock this background layer. So let me go first up here and click the check. Finish my Command T. Go to the background layer, unlock that layer, click OK. And I'm going to drag the text layer below my image layer. Okay, text layer goes below the image layer. And we're going to use then the letters to cut or to clip the image that we see. And we do want to select the image layer so we know which one we're going to do the clipping mask on. All right, pretty straightforward so far. So we've got this layer selected, got our text layer below, which we can't see now, but that's okay. We'll fix that in a moment. And then I'm going to go up here to Layer, and I'm going to go to Create Clipping Mask right there. Boom. And look at that. Now my letters are filled with this picture. I'm going to go ahead and do a Command T on the, I'm going to go back to the text layer and do a Command T, and that will allow me to move my text around, find the spot I want. Might not be in that first spot, so you just use Command T to move it around. And I'm going to click the check when I'm done with that. And just about done. There's a lot of checkerboard. Let's get rid of it. So I'm going to go and click on the crop tool. Click somewhere there to get that crop tool going. I'm going to do a tight crop box around my text. Click the check. And that's it. Now, I'm going to save this as a PNG file. So, File, Save for Web. Let's see, File, Export, Save for Web, or in your version of Photoshop, I think it's just File, Save for Web. Either way, it gets us here. And we want to make sure that the preset is a PNG 24. And we want to go ahead and keep the size that you've got is fine, because it's an internet image, so it should be okay, whatever size it is. We're going to click Save. We're going to save it in our Documents folder as ClipFL. Keep it as a PNG file. Click Save. And then, got a pretty cool clipping mask of your name. You're going to log into WebStarts, and you're going to go to your photo page, your photography page, photo page. You're going to put this right at the top. Right at the top. And let's see, I think I'll take you to mrchaffee.net and show you what some of these look like from last year. Go to class of 2019. Let's see. Go to Jan's page. Go to the photography page. And there you see it. So it looks something like that. Alright, and make sure you label it. Alright, good job. And this is done. This is done.